Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to watch Telegram videos without downloading them. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the settings icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it, and here you can just simply scroll down. You can now tap on data and storage here, and after this you can see the option in the automatic media download section, that is using cellular or using Wi-Fi. You can just simply first go to the using cellular, and here you can just disable the auto download media, and after this you can go back and you can go to the using Wi-Fi option and repeat the same process. You can disable the auto download media option again, and it is a way you can watch Telegram videos without downloading them. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.